Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable live AI call translation on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. To do that, we're gonna have to open the Settings application and find Galaxy AI menu in here, then open it, then go to the Call Assist and select Live Translate. To enable this feature, switch the first toggle on in this menu, and then you're gonna have to select the language and the voice you want on both sides of the conversation. So in my language, you can select the language that you're speaking, and in other person's language, we can select the language that we want to hear from them. That they speak, from which you want to translate. And if you don't see this language in here, you can download any of the available language packs. Now they are pretty big, but once they are installed, you'll be able to select this language as the default language for the other person. And now we can also enable muting our voice or other person's voice, so we don't hear or other person doesn't hear what we are saying, and they will only hear the translation of what we are saying. Besides, we can also change language and voice presets for every person in our contacts list. So in order to do that, we're gonna have to go to language and voice presets and then add a contact number, then select your contact, and then select the other person's language, tap OK, and then you can also adjust the voice and the speech rate, of course.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating a call.
Yeah, and you can also enable live translation in applications other than phone by going to the last menu in this live translate list and switching the toggle next to the applications that you want to use live translation in. And so yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.